Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the important MCQs with answers of plant cell for the NEETs and other competitive examination. In electron microscope, the source of light used is ordinary daylight, infrared light, ultraviolet light, beam of electron. The correct option is beam of electron. The physical basis of life is ectoplasm, protoplasm, nucleoplasm, endoplasm. Correct option is protoplasm. The common immediate source of energy in cellular activities is ATP, TPN, ADP, PGA. Correct option is ATP. Double helix DNA model was given by Fisher and Holden, Watson and Crick, Lamarck and Darwin, Hugo de Vries. The correct option is Watson and Crick. Ribosomes are the centers for respiration, photosynthesis, protein synthesis, fat synthesis. Correct option is protein synthesis. The cell theory states that all cells have nuclei, all cells are living, cells reproduce by mitosis and meiosis both. Cells are the functional and structural units of plants and animals. Last D option is correct. Cells are the functional and structural units of plants and animals. The next one is the purines of DNA are represented by uracil and guanine, guanine and adenine, adenine and cytosine, none of the above. Correct option is guanine and adenine. How many types of RNA are found in the cells? 2, 3, 5, 6. Correct option is 3. The first person to see a cell under the microscope was M.J. Sheldon, Theodore Schwann, Anton von Leeuwenhoek, Robert Hooke. Correct option is Robert Hooke. Plant cells differ from animal cells in one of the following important ways. All plant cells possess chlorophyll. Plant cells are bigger. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall. Plant cells are not so specialized. Correct option, plant cells have a rigid cell wall. The largest cell organelle in the cells are mitochondria, Golgi body, plastids, chromosome. Correct option is plastids. The ATP is formed in ribosomes, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, none of the above. The correct option is mitochondria. The essential gene material is deoxyribonucleic acid, ribonucleic acid, fats and proteins, protein. The correct option is ribonucleic acid. Plasma membrane controls absorption of water, passage of water and solutes in and out of the cell, passage of water and solutes into the cell, passage of water and solutes out of the cell. The correct option is the first one, it is absorption of water. Which of the following are linked together in long chains to form proteins? Purines, amino acids, pyrimidine, sugar. The correct option is amino acid. The function of amyloplast is to absorb water, absorb light, store fats, store starch. The correct option is to store starch. The pentose sugar present in DNA is ribose, deoxyribose, sucrose, none of the above. The correct option is deoxyribose. Which base in place of thymine is present in RNA? Adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine. The correct option is uracil. Within a cell, the site of aerobic respiration is ribosomes, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Correct option is mitochondria. Which of the following cell organelle is considered to be rich in hydrolytic enzymes? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria. The correct option is lysosomes. The DNA molecule is composed of pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, and pyrimidines, pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, pyrimidines, and purines, pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, and purines. Phosphoric acid, hexose sugar, and purines. Second option is correct. Pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, pyrimidines, and purines. Next one, who postulated that the cell is the basic unit of life and all organisms are formed of one or more cells. That is the cell theory. Hugo van Moll, Oscar Hardwick, E. van Benden, M.J. Shieldon, and Theodore Schwann. Last option is correct, M.J. Shieldon and Theodore Schwann. A cystolith is a deposit of calcium oxalate, starch, silica, calcium carbonate. It C is correct. It is calcium carbonate is the right answer. Chromosomes are concerned with growth of body, respiration process in the body, assimilation process in the body, transmission of hereditary character. Last option is correct. Transmission of hereditary character. Chromosomes having equal or almost equal arms are known as metacentric, acrocentric, concentric, telocentric. First option is correct. It is metacentric. The genetic code of DNA is carried from the nucleus to ribosome by transfer RNA, messenger RNA, subscribal RNA, ATP. Second option is correct. It is messenger RNA. Quantosome consists of 100 chlorophyll molecules, 130 chlorophyll molecules, 230 chlorophyll molecules, 500 chlorophyll molecule. It is 230 chlorophyll molecule. Cell walls of adjacent cells are connected by primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, middle lamella, cellulose. Correct option is middle lamella. Chlorophyll is found in leucoplast, grana of chloroplast, stroma, membrane. The second option is correct, that is grana of chloroplast. Dictyosomes were discovered by J. Bonner, D. Vries, C. Porter, C. Golgi. Correct option, it is C. Camillo Golgi. Xanthophyll is colorless, green colored, yellow colored, red colored. It is yellow colored. C option is correct. Centrosomes are found in all animal cells. In plant cells, these are never found in bryophytes, occasionally found, sometimes found in lower plants, algae and fungi. Last option is correct, sometimes found in lower plants, algae and fungi. The leucoplasts are colorless, colored, green, red. They are colorless. The fluid part of a cell known as cell sap is the non-living content of cytosol, living content of cytosol, non-living content of vacuole of the cell, living content of vacuole of the cell. The correct option is non-living content of vacuole of the cell. Basic composition of a nucleotide is phosphate, nitrogenous base, phosphate, sugar, nitrogenous base, protein, lipid, phosphate, sugar. B option is correct. Phosphate, sugar, and nitrogenous base. The next one is, if one cell has twice as much DNA as the ordinary cell, the probability is that the cell is reproducing, excreting, respiring, absorbing. It is reproducing. First option is correct. The term protoplasm was first given by Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, Purkinje, Nirenberg. It is given by Purkinje. Nucleus was first identified by Singer, Altman, Robert Brown, Singleton. It is by the Robert Brown. The word endoplasmic reticulum was coined by Altman, Watson and Crick, K.R. Porter, Muller. It is K.R. Porter. Who discovered ribosomes in animal cells? Watson, Totem, Cordry, Palette. It is the correct option is Palette. The word chromosome was first given by Waldeyer, Robert Hooke, Hofmeister, Strasburger. It is first option is correct. It is Waldeyer. The formula of chlorophyll A is C55H72O5N4Mg, C55H70O6N4Fe, C55H70O5N4Fe, C55H77O6N4Mg. The correct option is first C55H72O5N4Mg. The inner membrane of mitochondria is pushed in the form of a plate-like projections which are termed as maculate lamellae crystal matrix. It is crystal. One of the organelles is responsible for the formation of ester in the cell division: centrosome, lysosome, ribosome, chromosome. The formation of ester, it is centrosome. Correct option is centrosome. What is the normal diameter of ribosome? The normal diameter of ribosome is 5 to 30 micron, 200 to 150 angstrom, 20 to 100 angstrom, 500 angstrom. Correct option is B, 200 to 250 angstrom. What is the thickness of unit membrane? 75 angstrom, 1 micron, 5 to 30 micron, 2 to 6 micron. First option is correct. It is 75 angstrom. DNA is a major source of genetic information which is transmitted by transcription into RNA molecules. These RNA molecules are responsible to get this genetic information translated into proteins, and thus the central dogma of modern biology is DNA, RNA protein, RNA, DNA protein, RNA protein, DNA, RNA protein. First option is correct. DNA, RNA, protein. An organelle which has electron transport system is nucleus, centriole, ribosomes, mitochondria. It is mitochondria. The chemical substance abundantly present in the middle lamella is suberin, cutin, pectin, lignin. It is pectin. Certain genetic elements that regularly jump to new locations and inactivating the genes into which they become inserted. Overlapping genes, episomes, transpons, heterochromatin. The correct option is transpons. The maximum magnification possible with electron microscope is 200 times, 2000 times, 20,000 times, 2 lakh times. The correct option 2 lakh times. 2 lakh times. The strongest evidence that DNA is genetic material comes from that chromosomes are made up of DNA, transformation of bacterial cells, that DNA is not present in cytoplasm, knowledge that DNA is present in nucleus. Second option is correct, transformation of bacterial cells. Transcription is the process by which two daughter strands of DNA are synthesized. Amino acids are joined to form polypeptides. RNA molecule is synthesized within a ribosome. RNA molecule is synthesized on DNA strand. Last option is correct, that is RNA molecule is synthesized on DNA strand. Peptide bonds are present between amino acids, nucleic acids, organic acids, urea. First option is correct, it is amino acid. The process by which DNA of nucleus passes information to RNA is called translocation, transcription, translation, transduction. It is transcription. Continuity of cytoplasm from cell to cell is maintained through nuclear pore, middle lamella, plasmodesmata, pith. C option is correct. It is plasmodesmata. Messenger RNA is a polymer of ribonucleotides, deoxyribonucleotides, ribonucleosides, deoxyribonucleoside. First option is correct, ribonucleotides. Catechu is obtained from Acacia catechu, and the part from which it is extracted is bark, roots, leaves, heartwood. It is the heartwood. The Lamb-Rush chromosomes attain a length of 800 to 1000 millimicron, 6 millimicron, 6 nanomicron, 100 to 250 millimicron. First option 800 to 1000 millimicron. Alkaloid-based latex of medicinal importance is collected from unripe capsule of poppy, raw seeds of coffee, leaves of tobacco, seeds of nux vomica. First option is correct, unripe capsules of poppy. Pigment anthocyanin is located in chromoplast, chloroplast, vacuole, cytoplasm. It is located in vacuole. Most recent microscope used to map and sequence human DNA, electron microscope, atomic force microscope, phase contrast microscope, compound microscope. It is atomic force microscope is the right answer. A multinucleate cell is called synobium, thallus, syncytium, sinusoid. The correct option is sinusoid. Which of the following is an exception of the cell theory? Fungi, bacteria, virus, lichen. It is the virus. I hope you are able to get it. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.